Good morning. Uh, so far, copyright is concerned. Copyright commenced uh, after the period of dark period of Mediterranean period uh, over European countries due to ecclesiastical system of governing the sovereignty. All religious leaders used to control the sovereignty rulers, and including without the consent of the Pope, nothing was done. But later, when Protestant religion by Martin Luther was uh, floated, then slowly these European countries used to avoid Pope and started their independent sovereign power to rule their country. That resulted industrial revolutions, and England it was the first country who started inventing instead of hand looms, they have power looms. Uh, then therefore there was huge productions of textiles, and that stock has to be moved to other countries. Therefore, the king used to give letter patent letter authorizing them to merchant their goods to other European countries. This had happened. So far, the books, novels, and etc. are concerned. Whenever some country invade the other countries, they used to destroy the books available in their occupied territories. However, the people, the intellectual people used to uh, keep the books safe by their own intellectual tactics. So thereafter, that letter patent was slowly developed as a copyright, all for all trademark acts, intellectual properties. Nomenclatures are derived from Copyright Act, and even for without even you have registered your copyright under Copyrights Act, still you can file suit only under the provisions of Copyright Act. And for that, they actually what had happened. Sony Music Entertainment India Limited was restrained from uh, uh, from telecasting musical works in cinematograph films. Several, including Citizens and other films, were there. So our Honorable Chief Justice Division Bench has decided that the issue that may not be a final or because this was against the interim order. This is AR 2021 Madras 185 Sony Music Entertainment Private Limited versus Mumbai versus S. Kasamuddin Proprietor. But because this may not go, this may not go to Supreme Court because it is an interim arrangement, balanced arrangement. However, those who wanted to know about this music's copyright, other things, kindly go through this judgment. Today, I have that much up to share with you. And see, one thing I would like to discuss with you was that you see, every soul of any creature is a consolidated cell groups. Actually, these cell groups normally invade other cell groups by inhaling air, drinking water, eating water, vegetables are flesh cell. Those cells are again be accommodated within our cells existing, and we used to, the creature used to cause death of cells. This is what humankind, the formation of the earth, nothing more. Therefore, the the cell formation, human being was dictated. The movable cell, consolidated cell formation creature, we can say that way, dictated only for three commands. Number one, eat. Eat means inhaling the other by way of drinking water, oxygen, inhaling everything. That process you have accommodating other cells in your body. Then emit. Then some dead cells died within that creature, including some cells, living cells, by emission. That means tear, this saliva, and motion, urine, etc., etc. The dead cells as well as other cells are being so intake, emit. Then another one was procreation. Procreation means the consolidated, accumulated cells has to leave this world, his resemblance by sexual activity. These all are the three commands. Probably you see during earlier civilizations, this what had done almost in every civilized, even including barbarians, nomadic groups, as well as highly civilized Roman Empire, Egyptian civilization, and not, and including our epics. That third command of God has been obliged, even other way of even without sexual activities there. That is the way the Panchapandavas were born, and Karna was born, and you see even Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Sugriva were also born. The ways we do not know, with the help of saints. So this is what but what actually happens, the persons who have a little more power or dominance over other creatures used to dominate, then they impose all these laws and orders only to save their power as well as commanding positions. That is laws. So I think this is what happening nowadays. Everybody is getting over these laws. There is no human value or respect to woman. And in one case they are concentrating. Similarly, there are multi-number of cases in Tamil Nadu, but they are being protected. At whose instruction and cost, I do not know. Why all this I am saying? I am not coming out with direct citations or examples. Means I am not perfect about my information. Therefore, I could not say if my instructions are perfect. I immediately send those consolidated information to concerned authorities for actions. But I am halfway informed. I could not do that. It's all right. These things probably some juniors may feel uneasy to understand. I am very sorry. I will come in Tamil language. Best wishes.